Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Rsat tool. Remote Server Administration Tools (Rsat) is a collection of tools that you can use to remotely manage Windows Server roles and features like accessing Active Directory users and computer, Active Directory certificate and services, DNS console, Group Policy console, DSCP console, Hyper-V console, NPS server, failover clustering, network load balancing, and many more. Rsat tool can be installed through different ways depending on operating system or version. You can install this through Server Manager on server operating system. In some workstation, it can be added through program and feature. If it is not available under program feature, you can download and install it. I have already downloaded Rsat tool. I will use this to install Rsat on my workstation. I will add Rsat URL in the description of the video so that you can download and use it. In this video, I will show you how you can use Rsat tool to manage Active Directory remotely. Please note that every authenticated user is having read access on Active Directory. If you want to modify or create something, it needs required delegation or permission for particular user. By default, enterprise admin, domain admins, or member of built-in administration group are having almost full access of Active Directory or domain controller. Let's move to the computer. If you want to manage Active Directory through the Windows operating system, what you can do, you can go to Server Manager, you can go to Feature. It may be little different to reach here in different operating system like 2012, 19, 16, but almost same. And you can see Remote Server Administration tool, and you can select desired feature or roles that you want to manage. If you want to manage Active Directory service, please select this. If you want to manage DSCP, select the DNS console. You can select this Hyper-V tool for this network processing. So many things you can use IIS as well. And for Active Directory, we need to select ADDS tool. ADDS, you can select this one as well. If you want to use Active Directory through the PowerShell, you should select this. These options are already grayed out because this is domain controller. But if it is not a domain controller, it is a member server, these will be available for you to select and install. Okay, so if you want to install through the or on workstation, you can just open control panel and go to program feature. You turn on Windows off. It is asking you to provide admin credentials, which one is having domain, which one is having admin rights on this computer. So either you can provide any domain account which is a part of domain admin group or enterprise admin group or built-in admin group, or you can simply type any user account, local account which is having admin access on this computer. I will use my domain admin account, so I am just putting this. Okay, so if you see asset tool here, it's fine. If not, you can ignore that, no problem. So if I open this command, which is a shortcut to open Active Directory, dsa.fc, giving error, it is not available. But once we install, you see something different. So I have already downloaded Rsat tool here, as I told you earlier. It is here. So this is a tool. I will install this. Okay. Again, need to provide. Please note, this installation is required reboot. So working in the production environment, it is necessary to take the word approval from the management or stakeholders whether we can reboot the server on particular given time. This is my test environment, so I can reboot whenever I want to. It will not take more time. So I will log in to that computer by using one domain admin accounts. That is the account that I want to use it to log into the computer and access Active Directory. And you can see here, this is the same account name of my user account, and here you can see this is only member of domain users group, which is default group for each and every user account in Active Directory, and it has not been given any type of delegation. This is just standard user. Still installing. This is the account that I gave domain admin access. Here you can see it's a member of domain admin groups. That I use to install that particular Rsat tool on the computer. Okay, so I will pause that video after. So now computer has been rebooted, and we will log in to this computer by using normal account or standard account. If you go here, all applications, you can see Windows administration tool, and here you can see these have been installed. So this is Active Directory used on the computer and many more certificate authorities. You can use Active Directory by just click on here, or you can just type dsl.msc that I typed earlier. You can remember last time when I ran this command, it gave an error. Now it will open. Okay, same thing that you can see here. Everything is here. As I told you, we can see for every authenticated user having read access, so we can see what is here and there. So that's all for this video. If you learn something new, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.